ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। यद विद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानंद विग्रहम. This is the invocation, and in that we are seeing the commentary on this grantha, Artha Deepika, page number. I don't know what is the page number in your text. So you see page number and line number accordingly. Okay, I am using different text. Srishti Shabda was used for Sthiti Pralayorapi Upalakshanam. This is where we ended. Upalakshanam, what is the Lakshana of Upalakshana? Tad grahakatve sati tad itara grahakatvam Upalakshanam. In your book, it is on page number 3. Further now, fifth line from the bottom on page number 3. Srishti sthiti pralayaha bhavanti iti adhyaharaha. After that, Srishti sthiti pralayaha bhavanti yad avidya vilasena bhuta bhautika srishti sthiti pralayaha bhavanti. In this way, the vakya will become Ajam ekam lohita shukla krishnam बह्वीः प्रजाः सृजमानान् स्वरूपाः. अजामेकां लोहित शुक्ल कृष्णाम. This is Shvetashvatar Shruti. It says this is talking about that avidya, because yasya avidya vilasena. So what is that avidya? Aja. Aja shabda is referring to that avidya, which is anadi. Aja means unborn. So anadi. Ajam ekam lohita shukla krishnam. That avidya which is lohita shukla krishna. By lohita, what is referred is Agni Tattva. By Shukla, Jala Tattva, and by Krishna, Prithvi Tattva. So, Lohita Shukla Krishnam means Tejo Banna Rupam. This Maya or Avidya, which is Tejo Banna Rupa. Tejo Banna Srishti is there in Chandogya 6th chapter. The Srishti is explained from these three elements. Teja, Up, Annam. Tejo Banna Rupa. Tejo Banna means Teja, Up, and Annam. So Lohita Shukla Krishna means that. Sankhya Darshana would want to point out Lohita Shukla Krishna as Rajaha, Sattva, and Tamo Gunatmika. Vedanti would say Maya is Trigunatmika, no doubt. But according to Vedanta, the Trigunatmika Maya is under the control of Paramatma. So this mantra, Ajam Ekam Lohita Shukla Krishnam, Bahvihi Prajaha Srijamanam Sarupaha. This Maya Tattva is the one from where Bahvihi Prajaha Sarupaha. Sarupa means all of them are also Pancha Mahabhutatmika. So the Bhuta Bhautika Srishti. So this is Bhuta Tej Ab Anna. And then Bhautika Srishti is Sarupa, Samana Rupa Srijamanam Ajam. Srijamanam is Visheshan for the Maya. Then the second Uttarardha of that mantra is Ajo Hyeko Jushamano Nushete Jahat Yenam Bhukta Bhoga Majonya. Ajo hi eko Jushamano Anushete. Of the two, Jiva and Ishvara, the Jiva is seeking this Maya, seeking this Avidya. Jushamanaha means with great interest, great love, he is seeking it. And Anyaha enam jahati, Ishvara gives it up. Bhukta bhogam. Or you say Ajnani and Jnani. Ajnani Jiva seeks this Avidya. Jnani lets go. Jahati gives it up. Bhukta bhogam. Bhukta bhogam means he has seen this has very limited bhoga to offer, or that Paramapurushartha, moksha, once it is attained, Maya has no purpose anymore. So, the Bhuta Bhautika Srishtaya belong to that Avidya whose Swami is this Paramatma, Ishvara. That is what is indicated through this mantra. Then Maya Dhyakshena Prakritihi Suyate Sacharacharam iti Shruti Smritibhyam. Bhagavad Gita, Maya Dhyakshena Prakritihi. Bhagavan says, Prakritihi Maya Adhyakshena. Maya Adhyakshena is the key word. Therefore, Yasya Avidya Vilasena. That Avidya or Prakriti belongs to me. I am the Adhishthanam. Maya Adhyakshena Prakritihi Suyate. Sacharacharam Suyate. Bhuta Bhautika Srishtaya Suyate. But Maya Adhyakshena, na Swatantra Rupena, not independently. So this Shruti Smriti are supporting the nature of avidya as belonging to Paramatma. Evam. So far everything okay?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swami.
Yes, Swamiji.
एवं तटस्थ लक्षणम उक्त्वा स्वरूप लक्षणम आह. नाउ स्वरूप लक्षण इज गिवन. यद इति. यद अविद्या विलासेन मीन्स यस्य अविद्या विलासेन तम नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानंद विग्रह. एतेन शून्यवादिनः सांख्य वैशेषिकादेश्च मतं निराकृतं वेदितव्यम्. सांख्य सिद्धांत says avidya is swatantra. So yad avidya vilasa, it will not work for them, for Sankhya. Shunyavadi says yat shabda is not possible because there is nobody for whom or under whom this creation is functioning. It is shunya. So shunyavada is out. Sankhya is out. And Vaisheshikadi, they say this srishti is from what?
Anu.
Paramanu. Parmanu, etc. they create. So not avidya vilasa. This srishti is not avidya vilasa, according to Vaisheshika. So this shloka itself says this grantha is not in line with Shunyavada, Sankhya, Vaisheshikadi, etc. Their matam is nirakritam, veditavyam, should be understood in this way. How? So now little bit more is given. Na tavat shunyam jagat karanam bhavati. Shunyam cannot be jagat karanam. Katham asatah sajjayeta iti tarkanugrihitaya shrutya asatah tatkaranatva प्रतिषेधात. असतः कथम असतः सज्जायेत. दिस इज फ्रॉम छांदोग्य 6th chapter, 2nd section, 1st mantra itself. Question is raised. How can Srishti come from Asat? Because according to Shunyavada, from Asat this Srishti has come. In Chandogya, a question is raised. How can from Asat Sad Vastu Utpatti happen? From Asat, Sat Utpatti is not possible. Katham Asatah Sajjayeta. Iti Tarkanugrihitaya Shrutya. This Shruti is Tarkena Anugrahita. Tarka is also there. Logically, it is asking a question. Tarka Anugrahitaya Shrutya Asatah Tat Karanatvam Pratishedhat. Asatah Tat Karanatvam means Jagat Karanatvam Pratishedhat. Asat Vastu cannot be Karana for Jagat, which is appearing as real. Appearing as real means it is Nama Rupatmakam for Vyavahara. One. This is one reason. Shruti is one pramana. Second, Niradhishthana Brahmanupapattehe. Niradhishthana Bhranti is not possible. If any Bhranti is there, it should have Adhishthana. Jagat is Bhranti, is Anirvachaniya. Then it should have some Adhishthana. So without Adhishthana, Bhranti is not possible. This is the Yukti. Without Rajju, Rajju Sarpa Darshanam is not possible. This in Mandukya 7th mantra beginning, Bhashyakar elaborates. For Rajju Sarpa, for Shukti Rupya, all of them, he says, Bhranti is possible only when there is some adhisthana, without which no such jnanam is possible. रजत सर्प पुरुष मृग तृष्णिकादि विकल्पाः शुक्तिका रज्जु स्थाणु ऊषरादि व्यतिरेकेण अवस्थास्पदाः न शक्याः कल्पयितुम्. He says रज्जु सर्प मृग तृष्णिका and purusha. रज्जु सर्प पुरुष and मृग तृष्णिका. Sorry, rajata sarpa purusha and mriga trishnika. Rajata vikalpa is not possible without shuktika. Sarpa vikalpa is not possible without rajju. Purusha vikalpa is not possible without sthanu. And mriga trishnika vikalpa is not possible without ushara, the desert land. नहीं रजत सर्प पुरुष मृग तृष्णिकादि विकल्पाः शुक्तिका रज्जु स्थाणु उषरादि व्यतिरेकेण अवस्थास्पदाः शक्याः कल्पयितुम्. So niradishthana bhranti is not possible. This is second. Third, sadeva somya idamagra asit. सन्मूलाः सौम्य इमाः प्रजाः इत्यादि श्रुत्या सतः एव जगत कारणत्व अवगमाच्च. And Shruti also says Sat is the Karanam. In Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asit, Chandogya 6-1. Sanmulaha Somya Sad Ayatanaha Sat Pratishtaha. Sanmulaha, how will be the Vigraha?
Sanmulam, yes.
Sanmulam Yasya. Yasya Kasya. What is the Anya Pada?
Prajaha.
Which Vachana is there?
Both.
Which Linga? Praja is Strilinga Shabda.
Strilinga.
Moolam is Napunsakalinga. San Moolam Yasam Prajanam Taha Ha Sanmulaha. San Moolam Yasam Prajanam Taha Prajaha Sanmulaha. Same is for Sat Ayatanaha Sat Pratishtaha. This is also Chandogya 6th chapter. Ityadi Shrutya Satah eva Jagat Karanatva Avagamatcha. Satah eva. Sat alone is the Karanam. Satah, 6th case, Shashti Vibhakti. Jagat Karanat Avagamatcha. Now there is another iti Shrutistha Asat Padam. Somebody says in Taittiriya Upanishad also it is given Asat Padam. Asadva idamagra asit. This Shruti, can you hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
Yes, Swamiji.
Asadva idamagra asit, when it is said, so that Padam, Asat, in the Taittiriya Upanishad Shruti, Abhivyakta Nama Rupatvena Gaunya Vritya Sati Eva Yojaniya. Sat alone is what is being referred here. That Sat when it has nama rupa abhivyakta.
Anabhivyakta is there, Swamiji.
In your reading. So that way also you can interpret. If you say anabhivyakta nama rupa, then when the nama rupa is anabhivyakta, it is appearing as asat. And what is appearing as nama rupa, its adhishthanam is sat. In this way. So Shrutistha asat padam tu anabhivyakta nama rupa, if you say anabhivyakta nama rupatvena gaunya vritya sati eva yojaniyam. This is another reason. So even though in Shruti asat shabda prayoga is done in Taittiriya, what we should understand is actually it is referring to sat with anabhivyakta nama rupa. So when names and forms are unexpressed, unmanifest, it appears as if there is asat. When names and forms become manifest, it becomes sat. So sat alone is karanam. Just because nama rupas are not expressed, somebody may think in the beginning there was asat. So somebody will ask a question, who gives you liberty to interpret Shruti in this way? So it is said in Brahma Sutra, Bhagavan Vedvyasi has explained this point in Samakarshat iti Nyayat. Samakarshat is the Brahma Sutra 1.4.15. So this sutra says, it is explained in the next line, Sutrartha. Prakritasyaiva satyajnanadi lakshanasya samyang nama rupadi rahityena प्रतिपादना अदिति सूत्रार्थ. प्रकृतस्यैव सत्यज्ञानादि लक्षणस्य. Whatever is the prakrita. Prakrita means
intensive topic or current topic.
The current topic which started in Taittiriya Upanishad as Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. That Satya Jnanadi Lakshanasya Brahmanaha Samyang Nama Rupadi Rahityena. When the Nama Rupa etc. are not expressed, then that Brahma with unmanifest Nama Rupa appears as Asad. So therefore, when it is said Asadva idamagra asid, that Asadvai, that Asad, you have to do Samakarshanam. Samakarshanam means you have to bring that Brahma from the beginning of that chapter. Taittiriya Upanishad, Brahmananda Valli, which begins with Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma, in that Yogveda Nihitam Guhayam Parame Vyoman. That being the Prakarana topic, Samakarshat, you bring it and apply it here also. Asadva idamagra asit. This is the Samakarshana Sutra. Iti Sutrartha. Napi Pradhana Parmanvader Jagat Karanatvam Sangachate. Pradhana Parmanvadehe Jagat Karanatvam na Sangachate. So, Pradhana means what is proposed by Sankhya. Parmanu, what is proposed by Vaisheshikas. They are not Jagat Karanam. Na Sangachate. Why? So akamayata bahusyam prajayeya आनंदाध्येव खल्विमानि भूतानि जायन्ते आनंदेन जातानि जीवन्ति आनंदं प्रयन्त्यपि संविशन्ति इत्यादि श्रुत्या चिदानंदात्मकस्यैव तत्कारणत्व प्रतिपादनात् सो अकामयत बहुस्याम प्रजायेय. बाय दिस मंत्र कामना और संकल्प is possible. So akamayata is one vakya. Bahusyam prajayeya is another vakya. He desired, so akamayata. Bahusyam prajayeya, I will become many. So this kamana is not possible in jada. Pradhanam is jada. Parmanu is jada. Kamana is possible only in Chaitanya Rupa. This is one hetu. Second, Shruti also says, Anandadhi eva khalu imani bhutani jayante. Srishti is from Ananda. Brahma, which is Ananda Rupa. Anandena jatani jivanti. People continue to sustain themselves because of Ananda. And they go back to Ananda. So, this Shruti says, Utpatti Sthiti Laya Karanam of all Jivas is Ananda. So, with these two Shrutis, Jnanam and Ananda, Ityadi Shrutya, Chidanandatmakasyeva Tat Karanatva Pratipadana. Chidananda Rupa Brahma is the Karanam. So it cannot be Jada like Pradhanam or Paramanu, etc. Parameshwarasya Tatasthyam Varayati. Ishvara is Tatastha Ishvara. Tatasthasya Bhavo Tatasthyam. Tad Varayati. Tatastha means only Nimitta Karana and not Upadana Karana. So, according to Vedanta Mata, Ishvara is not only Nimitta Karana, but is also Upadana Karana. According to Nyaya Vaisheshika Darshan, Ishvara is Tatastha. Tatastha means he is not in the creation. Having created from outside, he remains outside, like Kulala. They love this Kulala. But remember, in Rudram, Kulala Shabda is there.
Yes, Swamiji.
Kulalebhyo.
Kulala is, or Paramatma is Kulala also. Kulala means he is creator in this way. But he is everything. He is also Taskaranam Pati. Bhagavan is everybody, everything. Okay. Parameshwarasya Tatasthyam Varayati Atmanam iti. Atmanam Tam Naumi Paramatmanam Satchidananda Vigraham. So, he is Atma. He is not somebody away. So, he is not different from Aham. Atmanam, Tikakar says, Antaryaminam ityarthaha. As soon as he uses the word Antaryami, Antaryami So, एष सर्वेश्वरः, एष सर्वज्ञः, एषोऽन्तर्यामी, एष योनि सर्वस्य प्रभवाप्यैः भूतानां. Mandukya 6th mantra is there. Eshontaryami. But at the same time, Antaryami Brahmana says in Brahadaranyaka, he is Antaha Bhutva, Antaha Sthitva Yamayati, iti Antaryami. How? Quotation is given, Uddharanam, Eshata Atma Antaryam Yamritaha. Eshate Atma Antaryami Amritaha. So, the one who is Antaryami means he stays within everything. And from within he does Niyamanam of all. Quotation number is given 3721. Starting from there, 373. Ya prithivyaam tishthan, prithivya antaro, yam prithvi naveda, yasya prithvi shariram, yaha prithvim antaro yamayati, eshata atma antaryam yamritaha. This eshata atma antaryam yamritaha, this continues from 3 all the way up to 23. 373 to 3723. Eshata Atma Antaryami Amritaha. What is said is, this Antaryami is not this Jiva. It is different from it. But he uses the same body as what we say, that Jiva says, this is my body. Prithivya Antaraha or Vijnana Antaraha. He is different from this Vijnanam. Vijnanad Antaraha. Yam Vijnanam na Veda. Jiva does not know that Antaryami. But he is staying in that Jiva. And this Vijnanam is his Sharira. Yo Vijnanam Antaraha. Means Kutastha Chaitanya is different from Chidabhasa. It is expressing right there where Chidabhasa is. It uses Chidabhasa for its manifestation. Just as fire, Agni would use wood for its manifestation. But Agni is different from wood. Because Agni can be there in paper also, in cloth also, anywhere. So it is different. But it uses that as its medium of expression. And it controls that thing from within. And all Panchamahabhutas, they are also used as the Sharira of Paramatma. So Paramatma controls everything from within. That's why he is not Tatastha Ishvara. He does not control the world from outside. He controls the world from inside. The quotation number they have given, that 3721. You can say 3721. it will be okay. Or you say 373 to see 3723. Lakshya pakshetu. So now so far the Vachyartha Paksha was being explained. Now he says Lakshyartha. Lakshya Pakshetu Tang Param Mayadi Param Tad Asamsprishtam Shuddham Tat Padartham Naumi. Tam Naumi is given, Tam Naumi Paramatmanam. So Tam Param Naumi. Param is the Lakshyartha. Param means that which is above all is Param. And above all means Mayadi Param, Tikakar says. Tam Param Mayadi Param. Avyaktat Purushah Paraha. That which is superior to Avyakta, Maya. Tad Asamsprishtam Shuddham. And that which is untouched by Maya, Maya Karyam. Asamsprishtam Shuddham. Tat Padartham Naumi. That which is Tat Padartha. So Param is Tat Padartha. Atmanam is Tvam Padartha. So Jiva Brahma Ikya is also given. Now Naumi Param Atmanam. Param cha asau Atma cha iti Paramatma. Tam Paramatmanam. So Shuddham Tat Padartham Naumi. Tameva Lakshayati. That itself he gives further Lakshana of that. Yaditi. Yad avidya. Yad means Yasmin. Earlier we saw Yasya. Yasya avidya vilasena. Now Yasmin. Yasmin avidyayaha avilaso. Avidyayaha avilaso Yasmin. Avidyayaha avilaso Yasmin saha avidya vilasaha. Tasmin avidya avilase. In this way, you have to do the vigraha. What is given in the Tika is avidyaya avilaso Yasmin. So then what you should say? Saha avidya avilasaha. One. Then tasmin avidya vilase. Avidyayaha vilase. Avidya vilase. Tatha cha. Yasmin avidyayaha avilasa. Means there where avidya's karyam is not. Avidya's expression is not. Then what happens? Yasmin avidya avilaso na. Means avidya vilaso na. Means avidyayaha avilasa. Then na bhuta bhautika srishtayaha. Bhuta bhautika srishtis are not. Naiva santi. In the absence of the manifestations of avidya, bhuta bhautika srishtis are not there. Naiva santi. Neha nana asti kinchana ityadi shrute. So there nana is not. So this is the Vyatireka that is explained. Tat Swarupam Darshayati. Now this Swarupa is being explained. Satchidananda Vigraham iti. Sadadi pada lakshyatvat. तदात्मकम इत्यर्थः। सच्चिदानंद विग्रहम सत आदिपद लक्ष्यत्वात्, इट इज द लक्ष्य फॉर सत, चित एंड आनंद। तदात्मकम, सच्चिदानंद विग्रहम मीन्स सच्चिदानंदात्मकम। सच्चिदानंद, सच्चिदानंदो विग्रह यस्य परमात्मनः तम परमात्मानं सच्चिदानंद विग्रहम। So Paramatma, whose Vigraha, whose Swarupa, he is Satchidananda. So Sadadi Padalakshatvat Tadatmakam Ityarthaha. Tasya Anatmatvam Varayati. And it is not Anatma by using the word Atmanam. So Tat Pada is explained. Now Tvam Pada. Tvam Pada Vachya Lakshyartha Vapi Anena Shlokena Darshitau. By this shloka, Tvam Pada Vachyartha and Tvam Pada Lakshyartha are also indicated. So I already said the Tvam Pada Vachyartha, Lakshyartha is Atmanam. Vachyartha will be those people who take different meanings of the word Atma, other than Panchakosha Vishishta Chaitanya, which is the Vachyartha according to us. But people take different meaning. So now what are those different meanings? They are being negated. Tathahi tam atmanam naumi. Tam atmanam naumi. Now what is that Atma? Dehadi atmavadinam matam nirachaste. Dehadi atmavadi, their matam is being refuted. Nirachaste. Nirachaste is ekvachanam or bahuvachanam?
Ekavachanam.
And what is the bahuvachanam?
Nirachashtate.
What did you say? Nirachashtate?
Nirachashtate.
Chakshate. Chakshate will be bahuvachanam. Chaste, nirachaste, nirachashtate, nirachakshate. Chaste, chashtate, chakshate. Chaste, chakshate, chakshate. So now Charvak Mata Khandanam is taken up, which we will see in the next session. Dehati Atmavadi. Dehati Atmavadis are these Charvak or Lokayatika Mata. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.